Technology is not something that has to be hard. We built PigFlow with the users in mind. We started with the people that were in the farm working with the pigs because we understood that this was something that they were going to have to love if they were going to use it.
With PigFlow, we can now see actions that we've taken to provide care, as well as see many of the outcomes. If it's a task-based thing, you can just put it as a task across the whole system. And then we started to see performance improve on stillborns and pre-weaning mortality.
PigFlow helps employees to be able to care for the pigs better because it gives them more time to do that. So instead of being in an office somewhere typing information into a computer, they're in the barn with their app on their phone. It takes that time that they would normally be somewhere else, and it puts them in the place where they can care for the pigs.
Before PigFlow, I worked as an animal caretaker. I worked as a farrow monitor. I worked as an assistant manager. So I would stay late with all the lights off and do litter counts in the dark until 7 o'clock at night. So much time that is wasted with paper or dropping a pen in the pit. And in PigFlow, you don't need a pen. We all have access to all the information on the farm. How many active sows there are, how many weans there are for today, how many breeds there are for today. Everybody can pull out their phone and know where they need to be at any moment of the day. I don't stay till 7 anymore. I work the whole day with my team, and when the work is done, we go home as a team.
We can put all of our treatments in. I can know exactly how many sows are getting treated every week, and then we can also start looking at outcomes. We've actually got that data in spreadsheets that we can start using it to understand if our treatments are working or not.
In farrowing, we were running a steady 14-15%. With the different organizations, now we're running 7 to 8%. PigFlow has helped that farm go from a 28 PSY farm to a 31.5, 32 PSY farm.
The swine industry is changing rapidly as it pertains to labor. We're having individuals coming from all over the world, and we all speak different languages. And that's a big challenge, but that's a challenge that we took on at Swine Tech with PigFlow, where we created a feature that allowed us to seamlessly translate all of these messages from people from all over the world with all of these different languages, so that way they could understand each other and work together efficiently and effectively as a team on a farm day to day.
It taught me how to manage my people totally different than what I used to, just by knowing what people are doing. On PigFlow, I can see that they close the app saying they're done with that task, and I can send a chat and say, hey, you're done, go help with this, go help with that, and we are more efficient.
So I have never seen a product that we've put into a farm that was embraced so readily by caregivers and really felt like it really helped the team come together to accomplish their goals.
The team camaraderie on the farm is improved because they can all kind of see what's going on. They're a lot more apt to work together because they can see which areas are short and which areas need help.
If we took PigFlow out of the farm, people will be at the office complaining, saying that they want it back. It has made a big difference in the team, and some of them will not respond very well if you take it away.
If you want someone to climb the ladder, give them a ladder, right? If you can give them the tool to do the job, it just makes their job so much easier. So PigFlow helps us do a much better job of clearly articulating what expectations are and be able to see some of those outcomes. So it's having that pathway laid for you, it's having the ladder built for you that you can just focus on climbing. And you're gonna climb a lot higher when you don't have to figure out how you're gonna get up.